Hello everyone, come paint a chocolate cupcake with me. Okay, so we are going to just go here, but not all the way down, and then do a line. So all the way across, and back up again. Now we're gonna do the cup of the cupcake. The cupcake kind of looks like you have a cup and you're adding a cake in it. We need to put some these lights. Oops. I erased that. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to go past the line. Sorry, I just can't draw properly, but that's fine. Now, we're going to draw the top. So, we are going to do a curve, then a curve, then a curve, then curve, then up, then there, then we go here, curve, 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 and curve, back to the line. Now let's draw some sprinkles. I do a ginormous one. And tiny one. Ginormous tiny. Ginormous tiny. Ginormous tiny. Now we're done with our cupcake. Yeah, now we're gonna paint, guys. So this page is for the cup over here. And these two browns are for the chocolates over here, here, and here. And yellow, blue, green, and orange are the colors of the sprinkles. Okay, so I get to dip it. I should get stuff on my dress. So I'm gonna get some of the beigey. Let's try to stay in the line. It's not working properly. Mommy, why did we fail yesterday? I failed the ice cream, remember? Mine was too big. Yeah, so that's why do we fail? Yeah, but yesterday we still failed. There. Now I'm gonna use the medium brown for the slimy. So I'm gonna dippy dip. Then get to paint the line. Some of my cupcake is outside the line, so that's why I'm just going over that. It's rising, that's why I'm doing that. There. Wait, let me just flatten this part. There. Now I'm gonna mix this brown with the dark brown for the icing. So get some.
Let me show you. Go like this. This is how you mix it.
Looks like poop.
Yeah.
Poopy. Poopy goopy. It's poopy goopy. Okay, poopy goopy. Poopy goopy. I said poopy goopy. Sorry guys, my sprinkle got covered. I have to be careful, friends. Ew. Let's just do that. Before I start with the sprinkles, I will do these lines. I'll do this brown. I don't do just dark. Okay, so it's like that. Oh, we got this line. Oh, wait, yeah, you did. Some more. Now I go to the edge. Now it's sprinkle time. So we had to cover some sprinkles before. Now we can paint over it. Okay, so I want to do a kiss of blue this side, blues on this side, and blue. Yeah, so I need to cover this part where the other sprinkle is supposed to be. Now it's showing better. Oh, yellow! Is it washed? Yep. Okay. So now it's for green. It's time for Bennett's favorite color. Bennett. So let's paint. No! Orange. Sorry guys, I'm trying to be silly. Okay, let me just paint it. Let me just paint it. I'm just gonna put another yellow on the top. A little bit. There. Thanks for watching, everyone. Whoa, look at my cupcake. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to our channel.